Hey guys, I've been on vacation for the last couple of weeks. That's why I haven't uploaded any new YouTube videos. I've been on vacation at St. Pete's Beach at this hotel called the TradeWinds. So I'm going to take my camera around and show you the area and take it down the beach. I'm also going to use my new GoPro Hero 10 to take the camera into the water as well, in case give you some footage under and around the water. So this here is St. Pete's Beach. This is the beach directly in front of the hotel. These chairs you see in front of me are chairs that you can reserve from the hotel. Just over there you can see the sea. And over here you see a blue and white water slide. It's just over there. And you get one of these bands from the hotel, allows you to ride down that slide over there. And you have some volleyball courts, there's two of them. And this here is the hotel which I'm staying at, which is the TradeWinds. So this here is the slide. It's called a freestyle slide. This is the slide that you can ride down for free if you have the orange band from the hotel. And now I'm going to get my GoPro Hero 10 and take it down the slide and show you guys what it looks like.
Yeah, we were watching it all day.
Yeah, it's like. I almost live in the basement, but
Okay.
This is South St. Pete all the way down.
Okay. So, he said it was probably new.
Hi guys, I'm just watching the sunset go down. Set my GoPro up here. It's just taking a video lap of the sunset over here. And after I'm finished here, I'll be going to the hotel and I'll be getting one of the s'mores